This is NOAA weather. All hazards station WXJ-94 in Millsboro, Delaware, and station KEC 92 in Salisbury, Maryland. Station WXJ-94 is operating on a frequency of 162.550 MHz, and station KEC 92 is operating on a frequency of 162.475 MHz. The current time is 10:42 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The following message is from the National Weather Service in Wakefield, Virginia, Sterling, Virginia, and Mount Holly, New Jersey. There is a high risk of severe thunderstorms and tornadoes across northeastern North Carolina, central and southeast Virginia, eastern Maryland, all of Delaware, and portions of New Jersey. The greatest threat is in southeastern Virginia, the Maryland Eastern Shore, and most of Delaware. If you are in the high-risk area, be prepared for very violent thunderstorms, derechoes, and tornadoes. Please stay tuned to the following NOAA weather radio stations for more information. Station WXJ-94, 162.550 MHz, in Lewes, Delaware. Station KEC 92, 162.475 MHz, in Salisbury, Maryland. Station KJY 99, 162.525 MHz, in Mapsville, Virginia. Station KA 42, 162.500 MHz, in Providence Forge, Virginia. Station KIH 28, 162.475 MHz, in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Station WXK 65, 162.475 MHz, in Richmond, Virginia. Station WXK 97, 162.500 MHz, in Delawaresville, Maryland, and station WXM 57, 162.400 MHz, in Hethsville, Virginia. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 145, effective until 1 a.m. Saturday. This watch includes the following county: Sussex, Delaware, and the following counties: in Maryland, Somerset, Dorchester, Wicomico, Inland Worcester and Coastal Worcester, and the following counties: in Virginia, Accomack, Northampton, Isle of Wight, Southampton, Surrey, Sussex, Prince George, New Kent, York, Gloucester, Matthews, Lancaster, King and Queen, King William, Middlesex, Essex, Richmond, Westmoreland and Northumberland, and the following independent cities: City of Suffolk, City of Chesapeake, City of Norfolk, City of Portsmouth, James City, Charles City, City of Hampton and City of Newport News. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions, and listen for later statements and warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Accomack County in southeastern Virginia, southeastern Somerset County in southeastern Maryland, southern Worcester County in southeastern Maryland, until 12:30 p.m. At 11:55 a.m., severe thunderstorm was located over Onancock, or 6 miles northwest of Onley, moving north at 40 miles an hour. Hazard: 70-mile-an-hour wind gusts and $50-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: considerable damage to trees and vehicles is likely. If you are outdoors, move indoors immediately. Bring pets indoors as well. Locations impacted by this storm include Onancock, Accomack, Onley, Bloxham, Mapsville, Wallops Island, Chincoteague, Pocomoke City, Berlin and Ocean City. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or by using Twitter at @WakefieldVA. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a tornado warning for Surry County in south-central Virginia, northern Isle of Wight County in southern Virginia, until 1:50 p.m. At 1:01 p.m., a confirmed tornado was observed over Smithfield, moving west at 50 miles an hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazards included a damaging tornado impact. You are in a life-threatening situation. Move to a basement or interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to a substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The tornado will be near Smithfield around 1:05 p.m., Rushmere and Genova around 1:15 p.m., and Surrey around 1:20 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornado include Elbaron, Carsley, Spring Grove and Cabin Point. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or by using Twitter at @WakefieldVA. Tornado emergency for Salisbury, Millsborough and Georgetown. The National Weather Service in Wakefield, in conjunction with Mount Holly, has issued a tornado warning for Sussex County in southern Delaware, northern Wicomico County in southern Maryland, until 2:35 p.m. At 1:53 p.m., a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. This is a mass casualty situation. Tornado emergency for Salisbury, Millsborough and Georgetown. To protect your life, move to a basement or sturdy structure immediately. Locations impacted include Salisbury, Delmer. This includes the KEC 92 transmitter site, Laurel, Georgetown, Millsborough. This includes the WXJ 94 transmitter site, and Dagsboro. Repeating, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. Move to a sturdy structure now. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. The transmitter sites for NOAA weather stations WXJ 94 and KEC 92 were destroyed in the tornadoes yesterday afternoon. It is expected that the transmitters will be off the air for at least a year while being rebuilt. Please use alternate stations for the time being. Alternate stations are, for Delaware, KIH 28, 162.475 MHz, in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and WXK 97, 162.500 MHz, in Delawaresville, Maryland, and for southeastern Maryland, KJY 99, 162.525 MHz, in Mapsville, Virginia.